You've sinned. You feel broken. You think it's too late for Allah to forgive you. But what if I told you, Allah's mercy is far greater than your sins? The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, said that Allah the Almighty said, "O son of Adam, so long as you call upon me and ask of me, I shall forgive you for what you have done, and I shall not mind." O son of Adam, even if your sins were to reach the clouds of the sky, and you were then to ask forgiveness from me, I would forgive you. O son of Adam, if you were to come to me with sins nearly as great as the earth, but you meet me without associating anything with me, I would bring you forgiveness nearly as great as it. Allah's door of mercy is always open. No matter how far you've gone, you can always return. So don't wait for Ramadan or for things to get worse. Ask Allah right now, "Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, I've returned to you." That one sincere moment could wipe out a lifetime of sins. Allah's mercy is greater than your past, but it begins when you say, "Astaghfirullah."